In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently deleted photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and then let me show you what happened if we delete a photo. So I can just hold down my finger at a random photo, and then I can hit at delete and then delete photo. And what that will actually do, that will remove that particular photo from my library, and this photo will be moved to a recently deleted album, and it will be stored there for 30 days. After that, it will be permanently removed, and we can find and restore that photo within 30 days. All we have to do is just get back into albums and then scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find recently deleted. We can get into that album, and that's where we can find a photo that we have just removed. I can open it up, and then let's say I want to recover that photo. I can just hit at recover to recover it or to move it back to my camera roll. And in the same way, you can see all the photos you have deleted, and if you would like to recover it, you can easily do so within 30 days after you delete that photo. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.